By the way, if you use this sound, I will like and subscribe and maybe comment. But the only thing is, if I don't comment on your video, you can't, if I don't do any of those, you can go to my comments section, type in "you lied," and I will give you, wait, before you say it's a scam. Okay, sorry for making this so long. I'm trying to think what to do. So, just use the sound. I don't care. You can mute my voice or anything. And you can even just put a random picture. I will just comment something, but it will be harder. So please don't make this viral. Please, 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 please subscribe.